So this is a free sample by JLab and I love it. This is the packaging and it is 70 hours plus playing or a little bit more than that. So this is how they look. Here it comes with the USB directly for charging. So that's good too. They're very comfortable if you like to work out. You don't have to have big headphones over your head. All you have to do is put this on and enjoy. There, you can take calls in here. You can also obviously do the music or a podcast, whatever you like. And it also comes with these different earplugs. This is foam. This is very squishy, very soft. I actually like them. And these ones are bigger, small, so it has it all. I believe this is not only small but convenient, fits in the gym bag, and you can take it literally anywhere. If this is the right fit for you, definitely I believe you should get it.